It's really moving to recognize that Monmouth was the first, that Pi Phi and Kappa were both founded here, and that our legacy is that it was always a place of opportunity for women.
It's a totally different experience that other schools aren't able to have, as we're the original chapter and we're able to see Holt House and where things all started.
Someone should join Pi Phi to not only make lifelong friends, but also have a lot of opportunities for leadership and growth, not only as a student, but also as a woman.
When you join Pi Phi, you join a family, and it's good to always have those connections behind you when you're going through something hard.
I came in at a really young age, since I was 17 in college, and just being able to talk to them about everything, whether it's school, things back at home, literally everything they can give me advice on.
Being a Pi Phi legacy is everything. My mom, she had a lot of influence, and when I was a senior, I knew I was coming to Monmouth, and she had told me when I was going through recruitment, find what fits your home and what fits you best, and Pi Phi was that for me.
I'll wear letters or I'll wear a Pi Phi shirt or something, and someone's like, hey, you're Pi Phi, or I was in Pi Phi at this school or something like that. So it's really cool to kind of be recognized outside of the chapter.
Going around just as a freshman and seeing all these Pi Phis, and they were able to say hi, we were able to talk. It was so easy to find a friendly face on campus, and I never felt alone.
It's really an incredible opportunity to grow and develop and share a connection and a love for an organization, but also grow and learn about service and philanthropy and being a good sister and just a good member of society. It's a really great place to grow and develop.
Put them all together and you'll have a Pi Phi sis. Thank you.